Is it recording? Hi, this is Homework Looks Like This, Science. Today we are making stink bombs. This is my apprentice, Sting. He loves helping out with the spooky things, like gross. So I'm gonna keep on asking my mum what the first ingredient is. Well, what the ingredients are. Mum, what's the first ingredients?
So, the first step you're going to do is pick up your bicarb package. That's that one, yeah? And you are going to slightly cut off the corner of that.
Okay, now, I'm just going to scoop it in.
25 grams, yeah. There we go.
So today we are trying to get to 25 grams. And hold on, comment down below in the chat the comment down below section. And what are you guys being for Halloween? I am being Nezuko from Demon Slayer. Sorry if you guys don't really like Demon Slayer or stuff. The bag's rumpled up.
That's fine. Do what you need to do.
So, yeah.
Now you're going to add a few drops of the stink liquid. So you're adding that to your bag.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, it smells horrible. Ugh. And please, you guys, do not smell it if you don't want to get your nose clogged. I'll tell you when to stop. Stop this right now. Stop the vinegar. Stop the vinegar. No! What are you doing?
Peel it up. Right, now leave it to expand.
Oh my god, oh my gosh.
Now it's doing it.
No.
This one here.
Yellow submarine. Okay, I'll hold it for him.
Well done.
Look at my... So,
Yeah.
is that it?
And then G after that, so that one. Yeah.
You could just go boomerang. So it goes B. Wait, 1B.
Yep, B, C, D. B, A, B, G.
B, A, B, G.
Well done.